Good morning, children. I hope you all are well. Children, chapter 7, that is food, is completed, and today I am going to start page number 57. In this page, fill in the blanks, true, false, and tick the correct options are given. This is your classwork, children. You have to note down all these in your science notebook. Children, I am going to read fill in the blanks. First is carbohydrate and fats are the nutrients which provide dash to our body. Your answer is energy. It means carbohydrate and fats are the nutrients which provide energy to our body. Second is food stuff containing dash are called bodybuilding foods. You have to write proteins. Food stuff containing proteins are called bodybuilding foods. Dash and dash are sources of vitamin C. Your answer is orange and lemon are sources of vitamin C. We can get dash from iodized table salt. Your answer is iodine. We get iodine from iodized table salt. Fifth is the roughage in our diet helps our body to get rid of dash food. Here you have to write undigested. The roughage in our diet helps the body to get rid of undigested food. Now come to the true and false. First is all the nutrients are important for our body. This statement is true. Second is our food should include more than one source of protein. This statement is also true because we get protein from many other foods. Third is our body needs vitamin C for healthy bones and teeth. This statement is true. Children, here you have to notice because vitamin C is needed for proper functioning of blood vessels, for healthy gums and for healing of wounds, and for healthy bones and teeth. Vitamin D is required. So this statement is false. Now come to the fourth. A balanced diet need not contain all the nutrients. This statement is also false, as you know that balanced diet contain all the nutrients in appropriate amount. Next, fifth is old people who are not very active should eat more of fats and carbohydrate. This statement is also false because old people who are not active should not eat more of fats and carbohydrates because fats and carbohydrates are energy giving food. Now come to the next, that is tick the correct option. Children, here 4 options are given. You have to tick only one correct option. First is calcium, iron and phosphorus are examples of options are given minerals, vitamins, proteins, carbohydrate. Your answer is minerals. Calcium, iron and phosphorus are examples of minerals. Second is protective foods are needed by our body. For 4 options are given energy, warmth, health and growth. Your answer is health. Protective foods are needed by our body for health. Third is a person doing a lot of physical work needs more of options are given vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates. Your answer is carbohydrate. A person doing a lot of physical work need more of carbohydrate, because a person doing lot of physical works, they need energy. So carbohydrates are energy giving food, so they need carbohydrate to do lot of physical work. Next, fourth is sugar contains mainly carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, fats. These options are given. Your answer is carbohydrate. Sugar contains mainly carbohydrates. The vitamin that help us to have good eyesight is vitamin A, B, C, D. These four options are given. Your answer is A. The vitamin that helps us to have good eyesight is vitamin A. Children, your homework is to note down keywords given in the page number 56 neatly in your science notebook and learn. This all for today. Have a nice day. Stay safe and healthy.